Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I got my brushes from dirty to clean, please make sure that you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so to clean my brushes, we first going to put some detergent into a bowl, and then we're going to fill that bowl up with hot water. And from there, we're going to put our sponges and our brushes into that bowl. Then we're going to pretty much let that sit for maybe like 2 minutes. And while I'm letting it sit, you guys, I'm going to be pretty much squeezing these sponges, and you're going to be seeing the makeup coming completely out of these sponges just with it sitting in hot water. But to go a step further, you guys, I am going to put that bowl into the microwave to heat up that water a little more so that it can get the rest of the germs and bacteria from out of my brushes and sponge, because you don't want all that going into your face and getting acne and stuff because of your brushes and your sponge are not clean. So I definitely put it in there, let that water boil a little bit, and once it's done, you guys, I just take it out of the microwave and I pretty much drain off the water, which I thought I was recording and I didn't. So pretty much all I did was drain off the water and squeeze those sponges, and once I did that, they were pretty clean. And I took the sponges and put them in some 91% alcohol, which I do with all my sponges and makeup brushes. And again, that's just to get it extra clean because I don't like to put things on my face that I know is not clean. And as you can see, you guys, my sponges are really clean. Now we're going to move on to the brushes. Now with the brushes, it's a little more detailed with cleaning them. I pretty much have to go in one by one and pretty much scrub a little bit with my brushes, because sometimes even boiling the brushes in hot water, it really don't get all the makeup off. So I go in and I scrub them a little more, and after I do that, I just put them in a cup with some alcohol in there, and I let them sit in that alcohol for maybe about 2 minutes or 3 minutes until I'm done cleaning all the brushes. And once I'm done doing that, you guys, I just take them over to a paper towel to make sure that all the makeup is off. So I will scrub all my brushes on a white paper towel to make sure no makeup at all come off on this paper towel. And if it does, I just kind of go back in and scrub it and clean it again to make sure it's clean. Now usually, you guys, I wash my brushes so I may use my brushes maybe twice before I wash them. I usually don't use my brushes no more than 3 times without washing them, because I'm really particular about my skin and my face, you guys. So as you can see, you guys, I have this white napkin here, and what I do, I just scrub every brush on this white napkin to make sure no makeup comes off on these brushes. And if they do come off on these brushes, I just kind of go back in and clean the brushes again to make sure that I got most of the makeup off. Yes, you guys, I know it's a little extreme, but I take extreme measures when it comes to my face. I'm real serious when it comes to my face. And as you see, you guys, that my foundation brush still had makeup on it, so I'm pretty much going to go back in and clean that brush again to make sure all the makeup is off it. And then I'm going to go back and put it in some alcohol for a little while, and then after that, I'm pretty much done with cleaning my brushes, you guys. So yes, again, I know the way I clean my brushes are a little extreme, but this is the way I do it, and this is how it works for me. You may have another method the way you clean your brushes, but again, I'm real particular about my makeup brushes, and I'm real particular about putting things in my face that is dirty, and I don't like putting things in my face that's dirty. So you guys, let me know what you thought of how I clean my brushes. And you guys, I think that's it. Here's the finished result of my brushes being clean. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.